To the Reiki channel. Now I want to play magic jigsaw puzzle. This is spiky dino Dinasaurus. Let's check this out. You Dino, I love you King Kong. I'm gonna give you I love you baby. Okay, we got the puzzle. Let's do this. I got a stone. Yeah, I know. Is this the bird? No, it's over there. Yeah, I know. Just don't know where to put this. Is this a grass? I don't know, but I found the stone. What's the stone? Look, you got some stone too. I need some stone. Is it over here, maybe? It's not for me, so I found it. So I put it, okay? Oh my! It's her mouth. Look at it's her mouth. Look! It's her mouth. Oh yeah. Umbrella? Is this the dinosaur thing? Yeah, but. What is in the extra? It's the birds. Are you okay, birds? It's right. It's right. Look. What about this moon? It's on there. Where? Over here. Just look. It's not true. Nope. I need to find. It's just some glasses. Where? Yeah, maybe we put it over there. Where you put it? In the bottom. Where did you put the grass? Found this. I found a body again. What? I found another one. Oh no! Is there a bird? Fine. Connected. Yay! Another piece. It's right. Or maybe you put it over there. Read the puzzles. Where do I put this? Maybe over here? I will keep finding. There. I found her eye. Over here. Connect. It is over here. I connect you there. Connect. Now we got her eye. What's this? What's this? A river. A spikes. What spikes? Just look, I found some spikes over here. Where? Okay, look. Where? Look, just look. Okay, I put this over here. I have a spike on my hand. Look. Yeah, I know, but I found this. But I hope we can do this. I have a dinosaur. I know. I hope that we have a dinosaur. Just look. What are you doing? Are you helping me? Okay, fine. What is this? Is this a dinosaur body? Where? Just look. Yeah. Maybe this goes over here. Let me see. Where do I put this? Oh no! We are falling. What? Have you seen the eruption? Where do I put this? This is so wrong. Where do I put this? I want a dinosaur like this. Oh no! Something fall! Something fall! Grumpy! She said grumpy. Dinosaur said grumpy. Dinosaur asked grumpy. Dinosaur asked grumpy. Dinosaur asked grumpy. Dinosaur asked Babo. See you guys.